Hey everyone, my name is David Dunbar, or the Theme Park Evangelist. I hope you enjoyed that 1 minute long introduction I just gave you guys. As you can tell, I'm right next to Iron Gwazi. Yeah, buddy. So, we tried to go over to cheetah hunt. Me, TJ, and his aunt is with us today. She's actually the one that not only got me free parking here at Busch Gardens, but she also got me in for free. I was quite shocked, and turns out TJ could have got me in for free too, so I didn't even have to spend a penny. I'm still in shock about it. So yeah, I got TJ a Busch Gardens souvenir cup, which I will show you guys later when I catch up. I kind of wanted to hang out by myself here in the back for a little bit. Oh, we caught up. So I'm going to turn the camera around in just a second. There's the souvenir cup that I just got TJ. It's part of his birthday present, obviously not his one and only. And then here's another view of Iron Gwazi. It's supposed to, I guess, open this summer. Is that what they're saying?
Coming in 2020.
So there's no particular set date yet. Figures as much.
In the Northwest, or North America.
There it is. Cool. Yeah, this looks just like 3 Point Challenge over at Kings Island. Isn't that too ironic? Yeah. It looks exactly like it's set up, like almost identical, except they have more than one person playing at a time. That is the only difference. And they're not using their scoreboard either. And of course, the employees are dressed like the way we were supposed to dress. They have some of the same exact prizes too that we have, except bigger. I think Kings Island might have copied off of Busch Gardens, or Busch Gardens might have copied off of Kings Island. I don't know.
I don't know who would open first, but
Kings Island has been open since 1972.
My mistake, yeah.
So yeah, we're now heading towards Tigris to see if that will work. Ooh, yeah, that's right. Busch Gardens Food and Wine is coming out. Collective Soul. And the Commodores. Who? Who? I guess it's somebody I know of. Hold on, we got
better.
Seen them at Epcot before. Look, Fits of the Tantrums. I almost saw them one time.
If I'm off that day, I won't.
Oh, Clint Black, that's who you said. Casey and the Sunshine Band. Now, that would be a cool band to see. I would love to see that band right there.
Third Eye Blind or Casey?
Casey.
Oh yeah, they do.
That's a pretty good band right there too. That's pretty cool. There's one of the theaters they have set up for coming soon, our brand new Coca-Cola Pavilion. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess it's something they're gonna have only seasonal for Food and Wine. Oh, it's only on the weekends. Oh yeah, that's right. I heard about SeaWorld's before. SeaWorld has a Food and Wine. I do find it funny. The Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival runs in late February through late April, and then Epcot's runs in late August through mid-November. Right. I guess it's just one of those situations, you know?
I bet you Tim will be here for it.
Oh, you can guarantee that. I bet he's coming here today just to do a update for his YouTube channel on that. Do you think that's why he's going to come?
Maybe.
I don't know.
And probably do an update on.
So today's vlog is going to be what's new with Busch Gardens this week. Iron Gwazi construction update. Not update. What is this?
The part of the Coca-Cola pavilion.
Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. And then the other part of the vlog title will be, and Food and Wine, or Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival. Oh yeah, that's right, they have the kangaroos here. Yes, I would like to go see the kangaroos. I've been in there before where the birds are at. Check all this out.
Yeah.
Ooh.
The beef tenderloin sound good.
Yeah, that was the one I first saw. I was like, oh yeah.
Like, that's the prices for, like, they give you like whatever the regular size is. If you get a sample
Right.
thing, then you get.
What is it?
different
Oh, is that what
size.
you're referring to right up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of what I thought, yeah. That is so cool.
And it's good for the whole.
Hey, that's not a bad idea though. Alright, let's head over and let's go look at the kangaroos. How to wash your hands. I know where my brother works, there's kangaroos there too. Well, technically the other place, the one I want to go work at. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Hopping in. TJ, we have to hop on in.
Hop in.
We have to be silly. Oh, there they are.
Guess what? Jonathan can't come in.
Oh.
What?
We might as well leave Kay out here too.
Look at his legs are sticking out of the pouch. He's a little big to be in there, I think.
Oh my. So is that a pouch for the Joeys?
Yeah, they nurse inside the pouch and they stay in there until they're big enough. See, he's too big. He can't. But that one looks like a little big too. He's probably in there nursing still. There's supposed to be 3 of them around.
That is so different. I've never seen a little Joey before inside the pouch. He's like all squished in there. It's too funny.
I think he's too big.
Just a little bit.
I guess as long as she wants him to be there, he's okay. She didn't want him to stay in there.
Look, there he is.
I suppose that after a certain time, they probably kick him out.
Oh, this one's really friendly.
But yeah, look, she wants food. See, they got food for him.
No, that makes sense. Go zoom right back out again.
You gotta clean our hands.
So yeah, these must be wallabies. But then they look so similar to kangaroos.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never asked about it or studied up on it to see what the differences are.
That's something I would definitely like to do research on.
Look at that one. Oh, the sun's bothering him.
Aww.
Like that. His eyes covered. He's trying to get.
That's too funny.
I'd say most of these are males.
Alright, TJ's just about to meet Elmo, and I'm so sorry I could not remember her name, and I love Sesame Street. I know, isn't that sad? I have a friend that I used to work with at Disney, and she's really close buddies with these guys. So that's really cool.
Are you gonna hold the baby? Oh, you next. Sorry, you're next.
All right. Ready, TJ, whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3. You're good. They said bye. So I went and I met Elmo and Zoe too, but I didn't vlog it. But I do have the pictures and they will be added to the vlog. So there is...
This way, David.
And of course, obviously you would have seen that right after TJ's pictures. So yeah, there's Shikra, and then there is Tigris. I finally get to see it in person. We're gonna head down. We're gonna go see what the wait time is like for whatever you call it, Shikra. Because I haven't rode in 8 years. There it is again. Yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen Tigris. Because remember when I was at IAAPA, they were just announcing it. Oh, there it is. This is one of my favorite effects that it does. Oh, so we were gonna try to ride Tigris, and it's down right now. That's really discouraging. I don't know what happened. We don't actually, to be honest. But there it is. It's a pretty massive thing, isn't it? Oh well, I guess we just keep moving forward. So we're just about to end the Busch Gardens vlog for now. What was that? Yeah, you can go do that. That's fine. We're in the place that my brother and I ate lunch back a few years ago. My last Busch Gardens vlog was not very exciting. That's because I was with my brother and I couldn't get away with it. And TJ knows that. I don't even have to repeat it to him, but he would nod and say yes. That's okay, he's getting a drink anyway. So, while I'm waiting, yeah, unfortunately, Cheetah Hunt had gone down earlier. My friend's just about to join us. I don't really feel like vlogging when I'm around her because I haven't seen her in a while. So, we're gonna head down there for a Cheetah Hunt. This is exactly where I vlogged last time when I did my first Busch Gardens vlog, which of course this is going to go under my Busch Gardens vlogs. It almost looks like the sign still says they're down, but I can't tell. I figured we would meet her here because I couldn't tell if it, or I figured we were going to go ride it. On top of that, I figured we'd go see what she would like to do. Yeah, I don't know what she wants to do. I figured this would just be a good spot because there's some good roller coasters over here, and then we could either take the sky ride, assuming it's open, or we can just start walking around, you know what I mean? So instead of doing my vlog only over here, yeah, you know what I mean? I was telling the camera, or YouTube I should say, last time I came here, I only vlogged here because I know how much my brother doesn't like being on YouTube versus you don't mind at all. So that's why this vlog is going to be a gazillion times better than my last one. Yeah, as of right now, that ride is still down. Isn't that pathetic? Yeah. So, yeah, when she gets over here, we'll have to see what she wants to do. And until then, guys, we will see you in the next vlog, which is probably going to be at Strawberry Festival. Yeah, she's a 3-minute walk away now, so yay! Until then, we will see you guys. Oh, anyway, and always remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Have a great day. Peace out.